What is up? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at the Adobe Beta. This is an online platform in which you can enhance your vocal recordings and remove the noise from that vocal recording. So right now, that's exactly what I'm testing. I'm actually going to be using the audio from this software or this online platform. When I'm done with this video, I'm just going to drag it and drop it into this online platform, and then I'm gonna see if it works as magic. Is it really worth it? Because there's a lot of vloggers out here, there's a lot of podcasters out here that upload audio, but sometimes it's not edited, doesn't sound that good. And this online platform is supposed to enhance that audio that you upload. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be testing in this video today here. So I just want to give you that opportunity to listen to what it sounds like coming straight out of the camera. And again, I'm using my A6400, and right now I'm just recording in a room. It's not too big, maybe like a 10 by 10 studio. It's a home studio, just a room that I have it treated to. I have some panels in the back, I have panels on my side, and I have some stuff on the roof, but it's not so bad for the echo. Let's just do a clap test. Yeah, it's not really that echoey, but you can hear like some reverb. And so I just wanted to hear what it sounds like once I use this platform. So again, this is the Adobe Beta Podcast. Remove noise from voice recordings with speech enhancement. You just drag it and drop it once you sign up, and it's completely free. So again, you may be that person that's vlogging straight from the camera that doesn't have that time to sit there and you know, pay an engineer to make sure the audio sounds on par. You just want to get your videos uploaded quick, fast, easy. You know, that's exactly what this software is supposed to do. You just upload the vocal. You can use WAV or MP3 and just upload it right to the internet. So I'm gonna be syncing it in post. I'm gonna be taking it just a step further to get better audio, but I'm not gonna be doing any alterations to the audio track. So this is what it sounds like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very short, it's very simple, because I just wanted you to hear the test. So again, my name is Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Go subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know exactly what you think. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Is there something better out there? Is there any software that's comparable to the Adobe Beta AI? Let me know in the comments down below. It's your boy Young Fizz again. We'll see you on the next video. We out.